You know, walking around doing my inspection. This tire right here. See this? That there is pretty ugly, pretty nasty looking. It's a good Thursday morning. We are leaving Mandeville, Arkansas, exit 7 on I-40. Enter Mississippi. 85,366.0 miles. 9:58 in the morning. Polk Lane. Should be up here on the right hand side. And the damn thing's still showing me back at the intersection. Dips in this road. (9124) Polk Lane. Drive on any way you damn well please there, meathead. You'll just race up. I got the line. I'm gonna drive right up there. Alright. 9124, okay, right here. Well, that's Smith Medical. That says Smith Medical. For the GE onshore GE. There we go. Shipping. We need receiving. Go down crossroads here. May have to do a turnaround, or we may have it in the back here. Who knows? That's shipping office. Let's see if this is receiving up here. And there's a bunch of other melting trucks in here, so why would you park right next to the gate there? Smith Medical. I don't know why we're at a place called Smith Medical, but all right, hours of service. Off duty, yes. Compose. Arrive the consignee. Oh, send. Yeah. Okay. What fun. So now we get to back out onto the street because, you know, they won't let me in the gate because there's too many trucks in there. Yeah, well. So we just got to go slow, slow, slow. And we got to wait out on the street. And I see a truck coming from my right. There we go. No parking anytime this side, this block. Well, that's everywhere in here, so that's kind of something we just got to ignore in order to get the job done. But we're gonna back up here to get out of the way of this, to get away from the entrance of the place we're going into and the place that's across the street. You know, we just got to back up, you know, so they have room to get around. A little bit of sight, you know, a bit of a sight line, whatnot. I mean, it's not exactly desirable here, but that's but we arrived here an hour early. There's more than enough room in there that I could have gotten in and, you know, parked it, got my stuff undone. But now I have to sit out here and wait. And yeah, well, all kinds of fun to be had. Now, some of these places act like they're dealing with they're dealing with gold or, you know, diamonds or something, you know. You know, there's not many people that can actually steal a, you know, a several ton, you know, piece of, support leg for a windmill. You know, it's not that easy to pick up. It's not that easy to load. It's not that easy to transport. And when you're stealing something, you're trying to make a quick getaway. And you know, it's not easy to move, you know, a 7,000, you know, a multi-ton, you know, steel leg. All right. You know, we're turning the truck off, don't need it running, blah, blah, blah. Oh, well, now we wait. Well, it's just about 5 minutes to 11 o'clock. So they really got no excuse why they cannot let me in. I was here an hour early. There's really no reason whatsoever. Seven. So I guess I'm going to walk down to door 77 because there's not a whole lot of place to park. Of the trailer I brought in. This is the trailer I'm now hooked up to, a flatbed. But you know, walking around doing my inspection, this tire right here. I'm gonna get the shade there so you can see this. That there is pretty ugly, pretty nasty looking. So as soon as they get me unloaded, I'm going to get up to the Flying J here, call that in to get that replaced. Fun. So they're still trying to, I'm still waiting. I've been here since 10 a.m. Got in the gate at 11. It is 2:30 now. I'm still waiting to get this load off this trailer so I can go do what I need to do. I tell you. Well, okay, so these dum-dums are not going to unload the trailer tonight because they are incompetent or whatnot. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know what they're doing. They all went inside and disappeared. They're shutting the doors and whatever. So basically what's going to happen is the trailer is going to stay here overnight. I've been told to, you know, we swap the guy I was swapping trailers with now is no longer, you know, taking my trailer. I'm keeping my trailer. I'm basically going to come back over here at 8 a.m. and deal with it then.